However, the line you don't want to cross is I would not allow a board or homeowner to believe that a response is legal advice if it's been produced by AI but not verified. So a few specific concerns just to be aware of with respect to AI and LLMs in our industry specifically. AI tools can sound authoritative, but they don't necessarily know Minnesota common interest law with certainty. They can do a good job there, but it's not really a substitute for legal counsel. Say a manager is working with an AI and it says, hey, write me a violation letter that cites Minnesota law requiring owners to maintain their landscaping. That's a classic hallucination example. There isn't really a Minnesota statute on point that's going to require owners to maintain their landscaping to a certain degree. But a question framed that way is almost going to encourage an LLM to be like, oh, okay, well, here's a law that's on point. You can cite this and it's going to do X, Y, and Z. And that law might not exist. And if the homeowner looks it up and figures it out, the association and the manager might have some egg on their face. Community managers who are kind of getting AI-generated legal analysis using an LLM, you're going to want to be careful when you're passing that along to homeowners, board members, third parties, that you're not kind of overplaying the hand there and getting into a situation where you're arguably getting into the unauthorized practice of law or potentially making the recipient feel that, oh, this is kind of legal gospel when this is just a kind of a ChatGPT query that we got. So trust but verify. Treat AI as a really useful drafting tool, but don't have it be the ultimate decision maker. You're going to want to have the manager, the board, the attorney always be involved in kind of reviewing that product and making sure it's what they want it to be.